By the end of this video, you're gonna be able to know where the banks are buying and selling, what's important key levels where traders get trapped, and what's the algo doing at price exactly. So let's start without wasting any more time. You'll be able to find this exact trade in my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description, because anyone can say I took this trade or I took that trade, but no one can show exact proof. I will leave the Telegram channel for you if you want to check it yourself in the description. It's not edited, it's not deleted, it's just the trade, where I took it and where we took profits. So you can check yourself that I took this trade, because everyone is lying in this industry. So I feel that the transparency is important right now more than ever. So please go check it and return to the video if you want. Okay, so let's rewind a little bit at June 12. Today is June 13, but at June 12 we had the CPI around 2:30 p.m. We all know that the CPI is one of the major news that can drive the price crazy. And I was waiting for this moment because I knew I would want to anticipate, but like after the news, not before. Do not get wrecked like this meme, guys. Okay, so let me zoom here at USD GBY at 2:30 exactly. As you can see, this big red candle, like just imagine how many traders, how many people that use trend lines here got absolutely destroyed. Like one candle here destroyed a lot and a lot of candles of liquidity. But we know that fundamentals and news doesn't care about technical analysis at all. So good. I was watching this and I was paying a lot of attention at how the price is reacting from these levels. Okay, so we can see the price going down and making a little bit up move, giving an opportunity for sellers to jump in for downside again, and then going up, giving another opportunity. From my trading, I can see this as a trap for the buyers. They get all excited around here, but of course the news are very powerful, and then the price goes for the stop losses of the buyers. It does it again and again and again. All of these swings for the upside and for downside are basically traps for anyone that wanna go buy. It's just too early because the news are just not digested yet. What time is it? Like it's 15:53 and it came out around 2:30. So it's almost around like just 1 hour and 30 minutes. The news didn't just get digested yet and people are watching. As you can see, around this level we get a very strong move. We break structure and this is the first big trap for the upside. People get excited here. SMC traders are gonna do the supply and demand thing around here and put the stop losses around here, and everyone gets liquidated around this level. So even SMC traders got trapped around this level. It's a good trade, but like a very good trap, because everyone is shorting. They need liquidity and they need top humps around this level and exactly around this news. So I was watching and around this exact level, as you can see here. Forget about the H and D, that's an indicator I have created. But in my community, we have done a very good indicator telling us where are the retail short interest at. And as you can see, around this level, 94% of retail traders are shorting. 94%, and this means like 6% is the bank. The bank is gonna long now. But why is the algo making the opposite of retail traders? Like, what's the core concept? And I want to go exactly to this point for a moment to explain it, because no one speaks about this on YouTube. Everyone speaks about trend lines now, and if it breaks this trend line, sell, and if it breaks this upper trend line, buy. Like, guys, please. Price will never move this way. Price moves around supply and demand just to take out retail traders all the time. That's how the price moves, actually. Okay, so let me explain very quick. Why is this a very good moment for us to hop in for a buy? As you can see, just imagine the typical retail trader. And when I say typical, we're not I was talking about the normal retail traders right now. We're talking about the algos, but not the market algos. We're talking about the algos of people that are shorting and buying at the same time, very quick, high frequency traders, and the robots mechanics behind it. So just imagine the robot right now. You can understand its concept very easy. It's based off momentum. It shorts here, or when the price moves down, it makes the stop loss here, and shorts here, make the stop losses here. It shorts again here when this price fails and make the stop loss here. Maybe it will be here, and so on and so on. and so on. So we have a lot of stop loss around these levels, and we know it. We know 100% there are tons, not just the robots, but retail traders just shorting the momentum, thinking that this price action is gonna go down forever and just gonna, and price doesn't move like that. Price needs liquidity, price needs to take people out, price needs, in my opinion, to make a corrective move for the upside, take everyone out, and then if you trade the ICT or you wanna say this is fair value gap or whatever, you can do it. But we know for sure that the price wanna take everyone at these levels out. And this is not a trend line. This is just a line to tell you that there are a lot of liquidity here. Please trade with trend lines. This video is not for you. Go trade them. This video is for real traders. So I have created with my team an indicator telling us what are the retail are doing based off 5 banks and many brokers. It takes the average, it takes the delta and a lot of stuff. You don't need to bother yourself with it. But around this level, we just know that 94% of retail are shorting. So we need to take the opposite side. So I send them a Telegram and you can check it yourself. I keep repeating. You can see it at the first link in my Telegram channel. It's free. You can join and see it. I told them, guys, I'm going out, buy right here. And I'm taking a little bit of a light stop because maybe the price gets the reaction from news again and then goes up. I don't want to get stopped down. I was just marking these highs around here because that's the stop loss of majority of people. The loss swing, I want to believe that the price is going to take it before going down. There is a gap here. I don't want to get involved. But I told people I will take partials around this level. And when we get here, I will take more partials. And just think about the psychology of even big players who took all this move for downside. They're going to need to stop their positions and they're gonna need to drive the price higher, of course. So we took the trade here. Absolutely very good market structure. It started like ripping and making higher lows. We don't care about high lows actually, but I kind of like seeing this momentum fading. It's just a good indicator that the price is doing what I want. Absolutely beautiful trade. We took a partial here, we took a partial here, and of course I took like all the position here around this level. Why? I'll tell you why. Because of this major supply and demand area, price might just touch it and react, and of course it touched, react a little bit, and then trap people and got far upside. But I don't care. At this point, we took around all of this move around here. It's like 50 pips. Very cool, very nice, very quick. It was very quick trade, and unfortunately I didn't go for full size at this trade because just think this is news. Many times news just don't respect the technicals or the retails. It just go for downside. If something very bad happen around news, price just can go very down and the slippage is gonna be high. Your stop loss not gonna be even respected. So I did went with my full size around this trade, and it is what it is. It's not always you're gonna win a lot of money, but we are traders. We are to take risk, and we are here to take calculated risk, right? So I just got here, won around 50 pips, 9k, very clean and beautiful trade. Guys, actually I don't know anyone who trades like this. I haven't seen it. I'm just giving a little bit of my strategy here, but it's okay. The traps, the supply demand for take profits. I just have a very weird and unique way of trading. That's what it works. If you short here saying, oh, momentum, oh, lower lows, you're just gonna get destroyed. Currently, of course, this indicator is not available for selling. I'm not gonna sell anything actually, because I think I will keep this for myself here. So I don't want your money. I will not want to sell you this. You can see the Telegram to see the full recap at real time. It's not edited. If it's edited, you're gonna see that's edited in Telegram. So that was the full recap for today's trade, full strategy. I hope you learned something new around algos and around trend lines and around people shorting and buying and interest. Please, if you find value in this video, make sure you subscribe. I will upload a lot of recap and a lot of basic explanations of why I got to these trades. And I promise you the value is gonna be incredible, and it's all for free. If you wanna join the Telegram, if you wanna subscribe, please give it a like if you learned something new. If I opened your eyes in some matter. 10% of the revenue of this channel will go to a charity at the end of the year. You're gonna choose it. And that's it. I hope you have a good trading week and see you soon.